We are pleased to show you the 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.